Okay, welcome viewers. Today I'm going to present exit exam question and answer team 2. This team or team 2 includes human resource management, organizational behavior, and leadership and change management. As before, as the question is multiple choice type question and its direction is choose the best answer. Okay, let us begin from question 1. Question 1 is which one is primary goal of human resource planning or HRP? A. Hiring the most qualified employee. B. Align HR need with organizational strategy. C. Reducing employee turnover. D. Conducting performance appraisal. The answer for question 1 is B. Align HR need with organizational strategy. Question number 2. Which of the following is not an element of job analysis? A. Job description. B. Job specification. C. Organizational chart. D. Job evaluation. The answer for question 2 is C. Organizational chart. Organizational chart. Question number 3. An organization facing high turnover decided to focus on employees retention. What is the first step in creating retention strategy? A. Offering higher salary. B. Conducting exit interviews. C. Reviewing organizational policy. D. Analyzing turnover data. The answer for question 3 is D. Analyzing turnover data. Question number 4. Which external factor is most likely to affect recruitment effort? A. Employee performance evaluations. B. Labor market conditions. C. Training programs. D. Session planning. The answer for question number 4 is labor marketing condition. B. Choice B. Question number 5. An HR manager must choose between two training methods. Method A has lower cost, but method B lead to higher employee satisfaction. What should the manager prioritize? A. Cost efficiency. B. Employee satisfaction. C. Organizational culture. D. Legal compliance. The answer for question number 5 is choice B. Employee satisfaction. Question number 6. Design a performance appraisal system that prioritizes objective and measurable employee contribution. Which tool is most appropriate? A. 360-degree feedback. B. Behavioral anchor rating scale. C. Self-assessment questionnaire. D. Informal interviews. The answer for question number 6 is B. Behavioral anchored rating scale. Question number 7. What does organizational behavior primarily study? A. Employees training programs. B. Individual and group dynamic within organization. C. Financial resource management. D. Technological advancement strategy. The answer for question number 7 is B. Individual and group dynamic within organization. Question number 8. According to Maslow, which level of need motivate employees only after basic needs are met? A. Satisfy needs. B. Esteem needs. A. Safety need. B. Esteem need. C. Social need. D. Self-actualization. The answer for question number 8 is safety need A. Safety need A. Question number 9. An employee motivated by recognition and award is driven by which level of Maslow's hierarchy? A. Social need. B. Self-actualization. C. Esteem need. D. Safety needs. The answer for question number 9 is esteem need. Esteem need. Question number 10. How does a high power distant culture influence work dynamics? A. Employees expect participatory decision making. B. Learners maintain formal and hierarchical roles. C. Communication is open and informal. D. Teams operate with minimal supervision. The answer for question number 10 is B. Leaders maintain formal and hierarchical role. Question number 11. Evaluate the effectiveness of virtual team in fostering organizational behavior goal compared to in-person team. Which is a major challenge? A. Lack of technology integration. B. Reduced collaboration opportunity. C. Lower team accountability. D. Cultural misalignment. The answer for question 11 is B. Reduced collaboration opportunities. Question number 12. A company wanted to encourage collaborative behavior among diverse employees. Diverse employees. A company wanted to encourage collaborative behavior among diverse employees. Which initiative would be most effective? A. Host team building workshops. B. Implementing strict hierarchy policy. C. Provide individual incentives. D. Adopting decentralized structure. The answer for question 12 is A. Hosting team building workshop. Question number 13. Which leadership style is characterized by making decision making without consulting subordinate? A. Autocratic. B. Democratic. C. Laissez-faire. D. Transformational. The answer for question number 13 is autocratic. Autocratic, choice A. Question number 14. Transformational leaders are primarily focused on A. Daily operation. B. Short-term profitability. C. Inspiring and motivating followers towards long-term goals. D. Establishing a rigid structure. The answer for question number 14 is Transformational leaders are primarily focused on inspiring and motivating followers towards long-term goals. So, choice C is the answer. Question number 15. During an organizational change, a leader encourages employees to voice their concerns and provide clarity about new goals. What leadership style is this? Transactional, A. Transactional, B. Participative, C. Bureaucratic, D. Laissez-faire. The answer for question number 15 is B. Participative. B. Participative. Question number 16. When implementing organizational change, which factor most commonly lead to resistance? A. Excessive workload. B. Lack of communication. C. Transparent policies. D. Defined job role. The answer for question number 16 is B. Lack of communication. Lack of communication. Question number 17. An organization planning a merger must evaluate leadership strategy. Which strategy most effective for ensuring cultural integration? A. Transactional leadership. B. Transformational leadership. C. Laissez-faire leadership. D. Autocratic leadership. The answer for question number 17 is B. Transformational leadership. Question number 18. Develop a plan for addressing employee resistance to a major policy change. What is the key element? A. Threatening legal consequence. B. Providing clear communication and training. C. Reduce staff involvement in decisions. D. Increase the scope of change. The answer for question number 18 is providing clear communication and training. Choice B. Choice B. Question number 19. What is the major objective of effective change management? A. To reduce operational cost. B. To maintain organizational status quo. C. To ensure a smooth transition and reduce resistance. D. To eliminate external threats. The answer for question 19 is C. To ensure a smooth transition and reduce resistance. Question number 20. An effective conflict management strategy focuses on A. Avoiding issues. B. Promoting open communication. C. Ignoring team dynamics. D. Encouraging competitiveness. The answer for question number 20 is B. Promoting open communication. B. Promoting open communication. Question number 21. A manager noticed a cultural clash between teams from different regions. What action can they take? A. Enforce uniform work policy. B. Organize cultural sensitivity training. C. Reassign employees to different departments. D. Eliminate diversity in hiring. The answer for question number 21 is B. Organizing cultural sensitivity training. Question number 22. How does effective delegation improve team performance? A. Reduce employees' workload. B. Enhance accountability and skill development. C. Limit decision making. D. Centralize authority. The answer for question number 22 is enhancing accountability and skill development. Choice B. Choice B. Question number 23. Which tool best help an organization evaluate its success in managing change? A. Staff turnover rate. B. Leadership style assessment. C. Employee surveys. D. Profit margin analysis. The answer for question number 23 is C. Employees survey. Employees survey. Question number 24. Propose a leadership training program for mid-level managers focusing on conflict resolution. What is a key component? A. Encourage top-down decision making. B. Teaching negotiation and mediation technique. C. Fostering autocratic decision making. D. Avoiding change-related conflicts. The answer for question number 24 is B. Teaching, negotiation and mediation techniques. Question number 25. Which metric is most relevant in evaluating a new HR strategy's success? A. Employee turnover rate. B. Competitor analysis data. B. Competitors analysis data. C. Market share. D. Technological advancement rates. The answer for question number 25 is employees turnover rate. Okay, viewers, thank you for watching this channel. Subscribe and share this for friends and relatives. Thank you for watching.